When I think about His grace, His freedom, something like a woman prays, I'm grateful.
Good morning. It is 7:10 a.m. on a Sunday morning, December the 28th, I believe. Let me get my phone. Yes, December the 28th, 2025. It is cold out here.
Turn right onto Old Big Bethel Road.
It is 34 degrees, and I picked up not a requested order, but a Poplin laundry order on last night. I believe it says 3 bags, 2 or 3 bags, I can't remember. So we're on our way to pick up this laundry this morning. I did do this customer before, but she didn't request me, but I went on and picked her up. But I believe last time she had hamper bags instead of plastic bags. So we're going to get this laundry, guys, and I'm bringing you along with me because I haven't been doing too many laundry orders. But I saw this order last night, and I decided to go ahead and pick it up. So come along with me.
As the wind blows and the world turns, I know that I've got my footing. I found a solid ground in you. As I follow in your footsteps, I know where my help is coming from. No matter the storm, just like Peter, together we could walk on water. And just like Jesus, I have direct lines to the Father. I'll remain in you, Lord, in all I do. I'll remain in you, 'cause you're my shelter, anchor, stability.
We picked up the laundry, and it is a customer that I did do before, but that was more than 3 bags. They were hamper full, like I figured. But anyway, we picked up the laundry, and now we're on our way to work. But I think I need to stop by the store first and pick up some cheese, sliced cheese, because I'm making me and my daughter cheeseburgers this evening for dinner. So, but anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and close. No, I'm not gonna close out the video because I'm gonna bring you guys with me tomorrow morning when we drop it off. And I want a little bit of company with me, so I'm gonna bring you guys tomorrow morning when we drop off the laundry. And then, if I can remember, I'm gonna put a screenshot of how much I made, or either just tell you how much I made with this laundry. I'll see you guys later.
Friends are fickle, money can be too. Nothing in life is guaranteed, but everything you say you do, word eternal. I believe it's true, 'cause I witness miracles. Hope for tomorrow. Just like mustard seed, faith's all it takes to move mountains. And I know you never leave me alone. You're never ending,
good morning. It is 6:44 a.m. and I know it's mighty dark, so I cut the light on just to say good morning. I'm on my way to drop off the laundry that I picked up on yesterday.
Turn right onto Old Big Bethel Road.
So come along with me as we go drop off this laundry, and hopefully I can pick up at least 1 or 2 spark deliveries.
Turn right onto Todd's
So
Lane.
let's see what we can get.
Stability, you're my alpha, omega. Stability is my El Shaddai, Adonai. Everything you're my prophet, Jireh. Oh, you're my solid rock, all I need. All that I am, Father, stability. I'll remain in you, in all I do. Remain in you.
Guys, dropped off the laundry, but again, I'm having issues with the pictures, so I had to use my phone camera to take the picture. Now I'm gonna pull over to the side and send this picture I took to customer support. All right, guys, right back. $53.85 with that delivery. But the strange thing is, I sent the photo to support. I'm just leaving the gas station. Now I'm gonna go to a Walmart and sit for a little bit. And but the order won't leave my app. Won't leave at the app. It's still saying active, but at the end it tells me it's delivered. This is the first time in all these many years I've been doing Poplin, well, it was such here at first, that this has ever happened. So I don't know what's going on. It even tells me what the customer was charged. Now that I'm not supposed to be even seeing. So I don't know what's going on. She told me refresh my app. I did all that. I got off the app, put it back on. I even restarted my phone. Then it still was there. So I cut the phone completely off. But I don't know what's going on. But anyway, I'm going to go over here to this Walmart and sit for a little bit and see if we can get a Walmart order. Okay, customer support told me to uninstall the app and then reinstall it. So that's what I'm doing now. Reinstalling the Poplin app. Alright friends, I have put the Spark app on. So if nothing comes through by the time I get home, I'm gonna go ahead and close the video out if nothing comes through. So I'll be back if I get one, or if I don't, I'll come back and I'll just close the video out. Alright guys, I have made it almost home and no deliveries have came through. So it's kind of slow out here. So I'm gonna go ahead and close out the video and cut my app off. Thank you guys for always popping in and showing up and commenting and being a part of Mom on a Mission. If you're not a part of Mom on a Mission, please be a part. It is definitely free. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Be blessed.